In this week's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth. You're welcome to Affix and In, and my name is Daniel. So I'm going to actually show you how to connect your Google Maps to your car Bluetooth. Now let's say you want the Google Map to be connected to the car Bluetooth so that it can actually direct you in order to know how to navigate and know when to turn right or left. Then this video is actually for you. So the first step you need to actually take in order to connect your Google Map to car Bluetooth is to go to your device settings. So when you go to your device settings like this, you need to come right here and click on connections. So you can see that right here. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on Bluetooth. So let's say your Bluetooth is not on. You need to go ahead and turn it on. Then search for the car Bluetooth and tap on it. Then connect it. So looking right here, you can see that I've been able to connect this Bluetooth to my own device. So you just need to click on it and connect it to your car device. With that being done, you'd be able to start hearing the sound of the Google Map on your Bluetooth. So if you can't do it this way, the next way you can actually do it is to go to your Google Map itself like this. So when you do that, at the top right corner, you can see your profile. So you need to go ahead and click on your profile like this. Then scroll to the bottom and click on settings. So right here, you just need to scroll to the bottom like this and click on navigation. In most cases, you might see the navigation option at the top. So here, you just need to go ahead and search for it on your settings and click on navigations. So looking right here, you can see where it says play voice over Bluetooth. So if yours is actually turned off like this, you need to go ahead and turn it on. So with this being done and your Bluetooth being connected to your car Bluetooth, anytime you want to turn right or left, you are going to hear the Google Map giving you direction and you'll be able to hear the sound. So this is how simple it is to connect Google Map to car Bluetooth. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.